Alright, so let's try to summarize what we've learned about the composite design pattern. So we noted that objects can use other objects via either inheritance or composition, and we're certainly interested in composition in this case, and some of the composed objects and single objects or scalar objects need similar or identical behaviors, and the composite design pattern lets us treat both types of objects in a uniform fashion. Now, if we're talking about enumerating things, if we're talking about please give me a list of all the items, then C# has special support for this enumeration concept because we have interfaces such as IEnumerable, IEnumerator, and so it's common knowledge how to actually use them and to get them to sort of return a sequence of elements. And that's exactly what you can do, not just for a collection of objects, but for a single object, because for a single object what you can do is you can masquerade as a collection. You can have an IEnumerable interface which simply states yield return this, and this returns the one and only object that you actually have. So this is the key to implementing the composite design pattern.